You are welcome to another edition of the Market Opening Gong, where we bring you updates from the Nigerian capital markets. This edition captures the market performance for Wednesday, September 23rd, 2020. The AFEX Commodities Index Composite increased marginally by 0.48% as against the previous week's performance, closing at 271.2 points. Concerns pertaining to the increasing population in Nigeria and the low agricultural yield is expected to lead to food insecurity in Nigeria, of which the low yield is usually as a result of climate situations, excess rainfall, little rainfall, flood, affecting the harvest of smallhold farmers in Nigeria. This is expected to cause a strain on the supply of commodities as demand will by a large extent outweigh the supply of the commodities in the country. The total volume of trades executed on the exchange totaled 156.49 metric tons. From the Nigerian Stock Exchange, the equities market maintained uptrend as trading activities closed on a positive note as NASD ASI inched up by 0.50% for the day. Its year-to-date returns currently stands at -3.95%. The All-Share Index closed at 25,783.2 basis points with a market capitalization of 13.474 trillion naira in 3,793 deals. The market closed with 21 gainers to 14 losers. The top gainers for equity were International Breweries, Prestige Assurance and Cornerstone Insurance, while the top losers were Associated Bus Company, Royal Exchange and Eterna. From this, market sentiment and breadth closed positive as investors gained 66.96 billion naira. Sterling Bank, FBN Holdings and Access Bank were the top players in terms of trade volumes and most active to boost market turnover. Looking at the NASD update for the OTC markets, the NSI and market capitalization remain unchanged to close at 727.3 basis points and 534.5 billion respectively. The change in volume traded declined by 90.93 to close at 1.10 million. The value traded closed at 2.28 million in 9 deals executed for the day. For the FMDQ group, the debt market size closed at 27.87 trillion naira. The NAFEX rate closed at 385 naira 94 kobo, while the I&E FX rate declined by 0.07% to open at 386 naira 44 kobo and advanced by 0.05% to close at 386 naira to a dollar. You can also check for global, commodity, currency and other indices on the economic dashboard showing on your screen. For the market highlights from yesterday, Dangote Cement held its virtual facts behind the figures and the facts behind the sustainability report with Mr. Michel Pucheros, the GMD CEO that presented the state of affairs in the company. The chief host and CEO of the Nigerian Stock Exchange, Mr. Oscar Onyema OON, commended Dangote Cement for providing leadership in the market as it concerns governance and sustainability. Giving some highlights, Mr. Pucheros said amidst the COVID-19-induced economic crisis, Dangote Cement recorded a bullish performance in H1 2020. And that brings us to the end of this edition of the Market Opening Gong. Visit www.proshareng.com to get more market updates. Do connect with us on our social media platforms showing on your screen. Until we come your way again, thank you for watching.